Welcome to JollyBilling. In this short guide, we'll turn a client's billable work into a polished invoice and send it off. Let's get started. From your client page, find the Invoices section and tap New Invoice. This opens a fresh invoice tied to this client. You'll see the client's uninvoiced billables. Check off each item you want to bill. JollyBilling adds them to the invoice and keeps a running total for you. Give the invoice a clear title, like the month or the project name. As you type, JollyBilling suggests titles you've used before. Add a footer note if you'd like, for example, payment terms or a quick thank you. This shows at the bottom of the invoice your client receives. If this is a regular charge, turn on a recurring schedule. JollyBilling will create and send the next invoice automatically, so you don't have to remember. Take a moment or review the line items in the total. Everything you checked is listed here, with tax applied if you've set it up. When it looks right, tap Save. Your invoice is stored as a draft and the billables are now marked as invoiced. Ready to get paid? Tap Send to email the invoice to your client. You can preview the email first and even attach a payment link.